My name is Professor M. Jaleel Akhtar, and I have recently been selected for the BIS Standardization Chair at IIT Kanpur. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Bureau of Indian Standards to establish this chair at the institute, and I hope that establishment of this chair at IIT Kanpur would provide long-term objective of securing active involvement of academia in the standard formation in the country. So basically, I have been at IIT Kanpur for last 15 years in the Department of Electrical Engineering. Before joining IIT Kanpur, I also worked as research scientist and project leader at a German research center in Karlsruhe in Germany. And prior to my Ph.D, I worked as a scientist at Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute in Pilani, Rajasthan. After joining IIT Kanpur, although I have been mainly involved with teaching and research, but I also have handled a number of research projects from DST, ISRO, DRDO, even Indo-German project in the last many years. I would especially like to emphasize the fact that for the last 3 years, I am the project investigator of a major project which involves establishing a world-class EMI-EMC, it means electromagnetic interference and compatibility test facility at IIT Kanpur, which is funded by BIRAC, Department of Biotechnology. And the aim of this facility is to mainly test the EM compliance of medical gadgets and other electrical products mainly used in the medical industry. Why I emphasize this EMI-EMC facility is that although IIT Kanpur being an academic institution, but this facility, once established, would be fully accredited by the NABL, and it will be utilized to conduct the EMI-EMC and electrical safety test of medical and electrical devices as per IEC, CISPR, and ISO standards. Now, as BIS represents the country in ISO and IC forums, so I find it quite appropriate to occupy this BIS Standardization Chair at IIT Kanpur, because for the last many years when I was involved with this project, I really understood the significance and advantage of this standardization even in academia, and also I can now appreciate the fact that in the long term it will be a good idea to collaborate between academia and BIS in general, and between IIT Kanpur and BIS in particular on aspects of research, development, and training, so that both IIT Kanpur and BIS can benefit from each other. And I look forward to active collaboration between the two institutions. Once again, thank you very much, and we hope to have a long-term collaboration. Thanks a lot.